So on a night like tonight, I'm sure there's a lot of people that you would like to thank. And who are those people?
So number one person should be my husband, but it's not. So
Oh, goodness.
I like to be controversial. So number one person in my life, in my business life, is your husband.
Yes, he's your work husband, right?
He's my work husband.
I know I have to share him.
John Miller, I owe it all to you. You have sacrificed so much of your time, your energy, your knowledge. You have shared things with me that nobody has ever shared, even when I paid for training. And that was a high paid training. And every single Tuesday morning, you and I get together and you spend time and you are very patient and you teaching me things that I never knew before and things that really you can't learn from a book. Those are real stuff, real life stuff. So I think John Miller is number one. And of course, I am grateful to my family because they do take a lot of sacrifice. I'm always on my phone, especially when the dinner comes out. Everybody suddenly needs me. And Karen Livingston is my lifesaver, like that person who I could not live without. So don't ever go anywhere. You cannot go on vacation. You cannot take boat trips because I would go in a panic mode and probably die of a heart attack. Because Karen is the one who chases everybody for every little lead paint disclosure signature. So she's really the important person.